Welcome back friends, let's make googly eyes using this medicine case. We're going to paste white sheet of paper on the back and cut it, and look, your different eyes are ready. You can paste them on these monsters and it's done. Draw a circle on white sheet of paper and paste double-sided tape around it. Now paste foxtail grass and draw lion face. Paste all of them like this. Draw its tail, legs, and it's ready. Let's make this 3D artwork. We are going to fold this blue craft paper from its diagonals. Make a cut. We are pasting clouds and vines and fold it like this. Now cut these green leaves and paste all of them like this. Now make the frog head and we are going to paste it on this green strip of zigzag paper like this. And add more details like we are drawing tadpoles, and look, it is ready. Let's make this 3D drawing farmer working in a paddy field. We are going to make the field by folding this orange craft paper and then paste it on this blue craft paper like this. Cut it and look, it is ready. We are also making beautiful buildings. Paste all of them like this, and we are also pasting these grass and farmer, and look, it is ready. Trace your hand on the sheet of paper, cut it and paste double-sided tape on it. Then we are going to put yarn around this straw and paste all of them like this. Remove the yarn and look, your robot hand is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.